Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage verifying phone number. If you're using iMessage and your iMessage has been stuck on verifying phone number screen, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that and go for apps, and here go for messages. And once you get the messages, you just have to scroll down until you find the iMessage. You have to disable this. Once you have disabled, you have to enable it again. It will make a refresh to your iMessage system, so you have to try the same thing again. So you have to disable this, then enable it again. And once you have refreshed, you just have to go back, and here go back again. Now you just have to check if your issue has been solved or not, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to go for general, and here you have to make sure that you are on the latest version on iOS. So it means that you have any pending update available, or if you have any pending software update, try to update your software. And after that, you have to make a force restart your phone. So you have to do quickly press and release volume up, volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, you have to wait for your phone until it restarts. So you just have to wait for it. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry, or if your problem had been fixed or not, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, you will get a confirmation message that to reset all of your network settings, so it will not delete your data. So you can easily try this, and once you have done, all of your network settings will be resetted. So if there are any issue to your network settings, it will fix in this step. And once you have done so, it will almost fix your issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your browser and simply search for sport.apple.com or Apple Sports. So you just have to search for the website and select your device. And here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of Get Sport. Once you find Get Sport, you have to select Start Now option. And from here, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of More. And then scroll down and look for the option of Messages or iMessages. Here's the messages. You just have to select that. Once you have selected, try to continue option. And here you have to scroll down and look for the option of Get More Help. Then select Call Us. And here you will get a number of Apple Sport team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number, and you have to discuss your issue with the Apple Sport team member, and you will get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iMessage is stuck on the verified phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.